Now, I will give you a small tip because you have a lot. This is a very IT oriented kind of a team. You can put arrows. Harsaj, are you with me, dear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So you can put arrows, like which country's population is increasing and which country's population is decreasing. Take any 1 year. So you all have taken till 2019, right? So after the 2019, like put a nice arrows. Which countries is increasing population, which country is decreasing, which GDP is increasing. So it will nicely come out very well because this box is amazing of yours.
Okay, those small triangular arrows, red color and
हाँ हाँ
got it, ma'am.
समझ गई करेक्ट वो डाल दो आप ओके नाउ under this table of where you're comparing can you please put in-text citation your factors जो है ना factors वाला box GDP population FDI inflation please उधर दो in-text डाल दो चाहिए तो वर्ल्ड बैंक वाला डाल दो और एक और in-text डाल दो ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now let me move on to the market structure. See, I can't read what's written, so I can only see oligopoly. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Privatized firms promise efficiency, however, oligopoly limits. Okay, for price competitor. Okay, okay. Independently. Okay. But you know what, guys? Anyway, these 3 points are linked to the sunglasses industry. हाँ सेकंड वाला पॉइंट लिखा है आप लोगों ने यूके के लिए कंज्यूमर परचेज एक्सपीरियंस सनग्लासेस थ्रू इंडस्ट्रियल कार्टेल दिस इज अ वेरी गुड बॉक्स but don't you think this is more theoretical and not linked to the sunglasses industry per se? Okay, now I'll tell you, yeah, now I'll tell you what to write. In your point number one in India, just give me the market share of the top three competitors.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, similarly for UK, give me the market share of the top three competitors. फिर तुम लोग का ये दो boxes सही हो जाएगा ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
Harsaj and Damya, you understood what I'm making you all add?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ just add the market share then these 2 points are fine. Okay, now go to below, scroll down. I will first see full left hand side of your question. Okay, okay. Import export code register director general udyog. Okay, sunglasses accounts for 15%. Oh wow, I think you'll have got this from that detailed market line and passport ka na. From there you'll have got these
Yes,
points.
ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Sunglasses accounts for 15% of total eyewear market in 2018. The market faced challenges in terms of access, affordability, branded. This is an amazing point. Can you zoom it little? I can't read actually.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you see this point? Market faces challenges in access to affordability of eyewear, price differences.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just give it? There is a lot of space niche in this point. Can you just give the prices of Ray-Ban, Oakley, and all little bit?
Okay, ma'am.
Just just give me the prices. Just add क्योंकि तुम्हारा space है ये box में. So it'll cover that Ray-Ban is selling for this much. Oakley is selling for this much. Luxottica is selling for this much. तो तुम्हारा ये point ना cover हो जाएगा. Clear what I'm making you all do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chal. So this you have to add. Then exposure of global trends. इसका data किधर है? Exposure of global trends, lifestyle. Where is all that percentage of urban population or वो सब?
Ma'am, we thought that the above box covered everything, so we didn't actually put it in the pestle.
You are right, Damya. You are right. That's why I'm saying in political and economic, I'm not making you add so much data. But see this point, when you're talking about changes in lifestyle, higher disposable income, Indians are, this is a good point. But you've not included disposable income upper, have you?
No, I don't think so.
So can you give some, only one data of disposable income here
In
in
the
the social point?
Okay, ma'am.
Right there. I just want disposable income का data of any year. चलेगा. 2018 का दे दो, 19 का दे दो, चलेगा. Any 1 year I want. Okay. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the brand consciousness driving organized market. And this is also a very good point. Can you just give me data of literacy rate over here? See what I'm making you all do. You all have given a good point. I'm just making you support one small data to it. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Again, I want of 2018 or give for this box give data of 2018. So disposable income 2018, literacy rate 2018.
Yes, ma'am.
चाहिए तो लिख लो disposable income के ऊपर 2018. Okay, technological. There has been now. This is again a bummer point. This is fine. Now below this, what do you think is missing in this technological part? Can you give me 2-3 points on Digital India? Harsaj, are you with me? I hope you're
Yes, ma'am.
listening to me. Okay, great. Okay. Give 2-3 bullet points on Digital India where you've written the e-commerce, supply chain. Okay. You remember I've shared that links with your Make in India initiative on Google Classroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uस link पे you have all this. Give some futuristic data. By 2025, what will the e-commerce channel I'm so sorry, of India look like? By 2020, write down if you want. E-commerce channel by 2025 of India. Give some data on that. Give some data on transportation and logistics by 2025. What will India look like? थोड़ा उस पे data दे दो. And if you want, right over there, Digital India, वो Make in India initiative link पे है. उधर से ही ले लो आप लोग. So थोड़ा futuristic data I'm making you all put.
Yes.
Similarly, this. Now you understood what I want you all to add further in legal and environmental also.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you think import duty comes in legal? Huh?
We didn't know actually. We were quite confused, honestly speaking. Like where will import duty come? Because we were a little
Are you serious? Exim comes under what? How is it a legal factor?
economical, right?
Absolutely. You answered it. This is an economic data, yo. This is a very good point. Please shift it to economic. Very good point. ठीक है निकाल दो आप इधर से लीगल से ओके अगेन ईयर डाल दो ये रिमूव माय सजेशन इज रिमूव दिस होल लीगल का दिस थिंग ओनली ओके बट वेट now let me now move to the right hand side of your okay wait no objection certificate wait no object of NOC okay NOC certificate from local pollution control brand mm, my suggestion is do you have good environmental data for UK?
No, we have nothing for UK.
My suggestion is remove environmental का point fully
Okay.
क्योंकि it's not making sense फालतू में तुम्हारा grade कम हो जाएगा प्लीज रिमूव एनवायरमेंटल का वो पूरा लिंक ही निकाल दो ठीक है you have to say delete row हाँ okay legal अच्छा now let me see here go up now let's start with UK pestle okay shortage of raw materials minerals okay what is missing here now you tell me
Data.
absolutely yes please add some data here what is the percentage of shortage of raw material which year you are talking about okay वो थोड़ा लिखो average household net disposable income per capita is okay sunglasses records for 18% decline this is good SLR UK has an highest company share okay Ray-Ban has the highest brand share sunglasses okay all right now see over here you've spoken about duty and all on the left hand side for India UK के लिए ड्यूटी का पॉइंट क्यों नहीं डाला है आप लोगों ने
Okay, ma'am.
Just add that one point. Otherwise your economic data is fine. Okay. Import duty का data डालो इधर. Because see, you've given for India, right, to the left hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
So please put for this also. I think UK same thing for social factors. What I told you for India factors.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give data for all that. You understood now which data you'll give for UK social factors?
Same, ma'am. Disposable income and
Yes, correct. Disposable income data and literacy rate data and all that data will come even for UK. ठीक है? Exponential growth of social media. This is such a good point, but you have no data to support it. How many people are buying on social media? Can you add that bullet point data here? Talk about the younger population. How many people in UK between the age 16 to 25 youth population are buying sunglasses? दो data हो गया इधर बस. Just add this data. The proportion of sunglasses sold online between COVID. This is a very good point. But how much percentage of growth has taken place of online selling in COVID-19? वो डालो आप. Percentage of growth of online sales. ठीक है? All right. There are how many people in your group, guys?
Ma'am, we are actually 5, but only 4 have contributed.
Who four have contributed?
Me, Aditya, Harsaj, and Kashish.
Who's the fifth person with you all?
Abhishek.
Abhishek Sachdara. ठीक है. चल, thank you for giving me that info. Okay. And by the way, only 4 people are on this link. Sorry, 3 of y'all. Even the whole group is not on the link. I'm
Ma'am,
surprised.
actually, Aditya has some event going on at his place, so he had informed us that he won't be able to join.
Okay. All right. Okay, chalo. Scroll down. The Department of International Trade allows. इसका डेटा है नहीं तो निकाल दो. Department of International Trade allows
यार
allied industry to. Actually, you know what? Delete this point also.
So, ma'am, even legal is gone.
हाँ लीगल का पूरा वो टेबल ही मतलब वो रो निकाल दो आप. चल ठीक है. Now what is this data you all have put here, guys?
Macroeconomy for India and UK.
This is macroeconomy. What is this?
Like population,
Are you
demographic.
comparing?
Yeah, sort of.
No, it's not sort of. You have to compare. वो वाला किधर है? Potential causes for difference in performance का heading.
We don't have that.
Beta, 1 second. Don't get panic and listen to what I'm saying. Wait. Go left. Scroll up. Write the heading here. ये जो इधर लिखो heading. Potential causes for difference in performance. Potential causes for difference in performance between India and UK. Macroeconomy. Okay. चल. तो ये तुम्हारा main heading. How you put all the headings in green color? This is another main heading that you'll have to put in your green color. ठीक है? चल, now go to the left. Okay. ये पूरा heading आएगा हाँ. See, listen to me, दामिया बेटा.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want this whole heading to be covered under this whole thing. जिधर how do I where this from this graph till the end of your poster. Okay, this heading has to be covered. Number of people purchasing sunglasses in Great Britain by expenditure. This is a good data. Okay, now let me read this. Okay, you all have given population size above 65, population density, okay, fall in international migration. This is a good point. Top income groups receive 40. This is a good point. Demand of consumers, demand constraint. ये भी अच्छा point है. Okay, good. Very good point, guys.
Very good
Left में
point.
जाओ. No change here for Britain. Left. India has faced a tragic impact of sales of sunglasses. Country expenditure decline. Okay. ये क्या है? Tripathi and Mondal. आपका ये कौन सा index है? Where have you got this data from, guys?
Pankaj Tripathi.
I have to check, man.
Just check. If it is Tripathi and Mondal, should be more or less from a textbook or a research paper. That's why it has authors. Okay, ठीक है. ये देख लो एक minute हाँ. Where you've got this from?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, I can't read.
Okay,
Beta,
ma'am.
I can't read India data. Little more, please. ठीक है. All right. 2019 and early 2020 pre-COVID phase has created a lot of development in sales of sunglasses. Summer season. कितना percentage? You're saying ना has created a lot of development in sales. कितना percentage? खाली वो डाल दो. Quite shortly. Okay. Sunglasses market is estimated at this billion. It is projected to grow in this billion. Okay. The organized segment contributes to about 90% of overall eyewear market. Within the organized sector, the share of sunglasses, okay, branded sales is about this much. Which year? Point number 5 and point number 6, you've not added the years to this data. कौन से साल का data है ये?
Okay,
Is it
ma'am.
2019? Is it 2020? वो डालो. This market is highly polarized with concentration either in upper end. Oh, this is a very good point. Either in upper end market or organized. This is a very good point, guys. Bravo. There is limited brand options in the middle range. Okay, this is also a good point. Good. I'm very impressed with your poster. When did you all start making this poster? Be honest.
Ma'am, we were finished by Saturday.
Acha, okay. By Saturday, you all completed it. Okay. It shows you all have done good research, guys. Good. I
Yeah,
all.
ma'am, because we wanted to
Yeah.
join in tomorrow, like yesterday, but
Okay.
then a lot of us weren't available, so we just thought we'll join in
Yeah.
today when a lot of us are
See,
free.
I remember this very clearly. I had told this to one of y'all. Yours is a very strong group, and I expect good work from y'all. And y'all have delivered good work. I'm really impressed. Very good, guys. ये थोड़े और data add करोगे ना आप लोग, it will just push you to a higher grade. See what I'm using the term. I'm not using the term better. I'm using the term higher. So understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay? Okay, chal. Now go to the left.
Uh, Over there is references.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ तुम लोग रेफरेंसिंग मेरे को लगता है रेफरेंसिंग काफी बाकी है या हो गया है
No, it's done, ma'am.
अच्छा हो गया है now listen to me you remember in OSEM and made you all do references as per alphabetically
Yes, ma'am.
try to do that for this also once I can zoom in your references zoom in करो आप लोग left I can't see still I'm so sorry but you'll have to still zoom in better left हाँ जी thank you office okay this is that of national statistics UK wala equalities trust I don't understand this website eyewear market with focus I don't understand this research your where are the links for these point number 2 and point number 3 links kidhar hai
Okay, I like that.
oh you have to you have to
I think I cut it short because in library.
guys listen to me just put the till .com links डाल दो आप लोग
Okay.
ठीक है एक्सेस डेट्स वो सब भी नहीं है
That's
you
what
use your mic here I'm
I
just
messed
saying
up here.
हाँ क्या हुआ
It's totally my fault. I messed up here.
See,
thinking that library doesn't have the accident and all that stuff. So I thought to balance it out, I'll remove from
what are
everything.
you saying? Of course, Damya, access date है library पे. जब
But
तुम
ma'am, it's there on our PPT, like what we've done the bibliography in our PPT later. Like it's
हाँ,
there on that, it's just not on the poster because we were just cutting it short.
अच्छा तो if it's there ना, guys, just take it from there and put it here. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Please, you will lose marks. In this is all you know what you all have given me. These are your in-text. This is not bibliography. Passport 2020 sunglasses online. This is in-text. Bibliography is what? Full links. Remember?
We'll do that. We have that on our PPT. We'll add
Yeah.
it.
हाँ,
Yes.
तो just add that, okay, guys?
Is it fine? So if it doesn't fit, if we reduce the uh,
हाँ, चलेगा. तुम लोग my suggestion is सुनो. In text कम कर दो. Like for example, Office for National Statistics 2019. उधर तक रहने दो. Remove this population estimates and all, and put the full link here. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
The trust, the equality trust ND, just let the in-text be there, remove that remaining and put the full link. Okay? Like that do. BIST 2016 eyewear market size, just that much. Remove the remaining, put the link.
Alright, ma'am.
I hope you all are understanding what I'm saying. If you all are not, please ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
प्लीज गड़बड़ मत करना. अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा है पूछ लो आप लोग.
Yes, ma'am.
Like for example, let's talk about number 8 and number 9. Passport 2020, remove that sunglasses United Kingdom online and put the full link.
Okay.
Let passport 2020 be there. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please, okay. Anything else I have to see in your poster?
Two, three things, ma'am.
अच्छा, क्या है बाकी वो दिखा दीजिए आप. Recommendations: free eye test with purchase. Okay, for each income group while catering to specific requirements, personalized customer service, repair offers. Now, where are you giving these recommendations to? Are you suggesting India market entry?
No, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen to me. This recommendation wala box na, एक सेकेंड. I want to read the green box first. वो जो larger marginal increment वाला box. Please scroll. हाँ, थोड़ा और. Okay. Larger marginal increment in life expectancy suggests an economic growth in India. इसका थोड़ा एक डेटा डाल दो इधर. Larger marginal increment by how much percent? Just put that data. It's there ऊपर. Take that same life expectancy वाला point which is put in your table.
Okay.
Go up, go to the left. Just put life expectancy data from the table. Perfect. So where you're writing the larger marginal increment in life expectancy, which is already there in your table, put it here.
Okay.
And then this point is perfect. No change. Rapid growth in India's urbanization. Put the percentage of urbanization here. Again from your table. Just put it here. Okay. Sunglasses being a luxurious good. Right in India. In India it is a luxurious good, not UK. Okay. Luxurious good in India. Changing pricing strategies could prove damaging to the UK market for the GDP. 1 second. Acha, remove India. Now it's not making sense. Please remove India. I'm so sorry I didn't read the whole thing. Sunglasses being a luxurious good, changing pricing strategies could prove damaging for the UK market. Guys, do you think in UK sunglasses is a luxurious good?
No, we were saying generally it is a luxurious good right now because of the COVID situation.
1 second. Just read this line. Any one of y'all. Sunglasses till GDP ka point. You're talking about sunglasses UK market. Just read this line. Sunglasses being a luxurious good, changing pricing strategies could prove damaging to the UK market for the GDP. मेरे को ये point नहीं समझ आया है. Can you all please throw some light? Who
Ma'am,
does who? Yeah, yeah.
so basically, what we were thinking was we were talking about price penetration and price skimming. So we were thinking
Okay.
that you know how in UK pricing is not that important. They care more about the health and stuff. So even if you change the price, it won't be that like
Okay, absolutely yes. Even if you change the price, it will not impact the sales of sunglasses company. That's what you're trying to say.
yes, ma'am.
So how can it be called a luxurious good then?
I didn't know the right word to put here actually.
Okay. Arey, relax. I'm not. Arey, listen. Don't misunderstand me. I'm not trying to pick on you all or anything.
Mm.
But I'm just saying that this line is not making sense. So use a term as sunglasses being an essential good. Vita, you've already written it above. Being an essential good. Okay, remove the term as essential good. Remove it. Use the term merit good. You guys remember merit goods, demerit goods?
Yes, ma'am.
What was it? Chal, let me see if you remember the concept.
Merit goods are the ones that benefit the society while used.
Yay! I'm so
Yes.
happy. I asked this question to another group and they didn't know what are merit goods, demerit goods. I'm so happy someone remembered. Correct. Sunglasses are merit goods. They are good for the health of the population of an economy. So don't you think sunglasses is a merit good?
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely yes. So right, sunglasses being a merit good because right, I'm right giving the line to you because they help in they help in maintaining the general public's apostrophe s the general public's eyesight eyesight bus changing pricing strategies could prove damaging for the UK market. Don't write for the GDP, right? For the economy. Okay. India, which attracts customers, choose price. So right, change this line. India wala remove. Remove which? Wait, don't remove India. Just remove from which attracts. Oh, bro, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Just remove this whole thing.
The whole point.
I can't see which is the whole point because it's going beyond your. क्या
Yes,
बोलते हैं? हाँ,
so that we reach the size.
हाँ.
Not before.
Don't you all dare tell anybody that I've dictated to your group, okay?
Yes, ma'am. We will not talk about sister to
All
anybody.
the groups will come and then want me to dictate for them. Okay, now write this point. Remove, wait 1 second. First, let me see what you've written. India, which attracts customers through prices, primarily could continue with price penetration. Okay, remove this line. It doesn't make sense. Write down. Indian customers, Indian customers are more price conscious, are more price conscious. Therefore, therefore, mm, following a price penetration strategy, following a price penetration strategy would help in increasing market share, comma, growth rate and customer base for the company, comma, and for the company and the industry. बस sort. ठीक है? Okay, don't please tell anybody I've dictated now.
No, no, ma'am. You've got nothing to worry about. We get
Okay, चल. I
better luck.
think when overall everything is fine, that's it. So good work, guys. Uh, just do these finer changes, and can you please upload this on Google Classroom, because I want to see it once again before y'all are ready for your upload.
Yes, ma'am, we'll do that.
Your upload is on the 5th, okay?
Okay,
On
ma'am.
the 5th. So please, you have another 1 day, and whatever you want to do, the formatting वो पूरा देख लो तुम लोग.
Yes,
And good work. I'm very very मतलब, I know I saw your work towards the end, but you'll have produced very good work. Okay, keep it up.
ma'am.
And yeah, just upload this on Google Classroom, and we do our turnitin check day after tomorrow. Okay?
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Thank you, Kashish, Harsej, and Damya. And just save this. Please save your poster on
Yes, ma'am.
Google Drive or something, so you all should not miss it out. You know, and so on and so forth. All right. Any questions? Are we good?
Yes, ma'am. We'll add the data. We'll be done by
Yeah.
evening.
By evening, all will be done, na? ठीक है. Okay, chalo. Thank you very much and all the best. Bye, guys.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, 1 second. Yes, Harsaj, dear. Yes.
can passport data come under plagiarism?
See, any data you put will come in your plagiarism percentage. The tip to reduce your plagiarism is type data out. Type it out. Don't copy
Okay,
paste it.
okay.
Graphs तो वैसे भी you have to copy paste. तो वो plagiarism में आएगा ही आएगा.
Yeah.
When it comes to your written content, your analysis part, ensure it is typed out. Clear?
Okay, ma'am, clear.
That's the only thing. Otherwise, everything else is perfect in your poster.
Got it.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Chalo, good work. I'm very happy to see your poster, guys. Keep it up, and I'll see you all. My bad.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good day.
thank you, ma'am. Good day.
Bye. Good day. Bye.